Elders and stakeholders across Benue State. It gives me great pleasure to be here this afternoon, particularly to be in this hall. I sought permission of the governor to come with a delegation for a tete-a-tete in his residence. When he says we are coming here, when I come here, it gives me good memories, because I remember the last time we were here, to the early hours of this morning. I'm sure probably you named this place Banquet Hall. I'm going to call it Hall of Peace and Hall of Unity, because it was in this hall that we rescued the North Central, and we met the early hours of the morning under your leadership, and we were able to resolve the North Central Congress amicably and successfully. Let me also commend Your Excellency. When we finished discussing with him, he said we have the members and stakeholders of the party who would like me to come and greet. That shows why you distinguish yourself from others. I've been to many states. When you see the governor forgets that he has followers or people that brought him there. But it's your style to say, no, you must come here. Let me commend that. And let me commend you for the support that you have given him. Because without that support, he will not be able to succeed, particularly under the kind of siege. We have all experienced it, but God on our side will all overcome with the people too. And that is why we are seeing that every time we read newspapers now, as he said, we just hear about the camping, and the camping. I'm sure by the time before the election, I'm not sure the other party will have anybody left the way they are camping. We're here because since after the convention, a lot of us have not had the opportunity to see the governor. We came here primarily, most importantly, for two things. One, to thank him, commend him for the leadership that he gave, not only towards North Central, the entire northern region of our party, but today as the country is basking in the euphoria and the victory of what happened at the convention, we people should not forget where it started. It started from the peaceful, amicable resolution at the meetings of the Northern Caucus on the issue of chairmanship. If that had gone wrong, we would not have what we had at that convention for. It started where? North Central. Under who? Your able governor. And we came here to come and thank you for that leadership. And that is why the party is in a position today that Nigerians now truly know that we are ready. Because as I say, a party that cannot organize its own affairs has no business in leading this country. A party that can organize its affairs is truly ready to lead this country. And that has been possible by your leadership. We came here to do that. Having done that, as the party is now organized, we now sit down because as a leader of the party in North Central, we accept that leadership. We all met yesterday, some of us leaders in North Central, and said there's nothing we could do without coming to see your governor and discussing with him, getting his blessing, getting his guidance, and getting his leadership. And that's why we're here, to sit down with him, because he's our leader in this zone. And he has not only God in his own mercy knows why he's the only governor, but you will not know he's the only governor, because he has stand firm as many governors in the zone. He has provided leadership for the zone. He has been very, very strong in fighting for the state and for the zone. We believe that if you have a fighter like that in front of you, Success is yours by God's grace. And that is why we believe that we must carry him along in doing that. And we also said that charity starts at home. This zone, we have worked so hard for the unity of this country. We have worked so hard for keeping this country together. We have contributed many a times when the country is going astray. It is not central they all come to, and we have played a role. We believe this time we must show that charity belongs at home, and we must stand for our own. And we have a project in North Central, and he says that we must come to see him to get his blessing. There will be many more days that we will come back and discuss fully the real politics. Today is to recognize you, to greet you, to say we are here. It is not me, it is us. I am here because I'm one of you, you are one of me, we are all together. And whatever we do, we are doing it for us. And we seek the cooperation of everybody as we forge ahead. I believe this is my home, and I believe I'm one of yours. I will continue to serve to ensure that we do our best for our zone and for this country. Your Excellency, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity, for listening to us, and for the words you've said to guide us has really encouraged us. And I want to thank you for this opportunity. I thank you, Excellency.
Chairman of Council for Saraki for President. Like I told you, it was an emergency arrangement, but you see the very distinguished leaders who are here. Governor Idris Wada, for those of you who are not saying, please for the and this was my leader in the North Central Zone that I worked with. First of all, Secretary, and then Acting Chairman and Chairman of PDP in Nigeria, Alhaji Kao Baraji. And that is Senator Adokwe, just our neighbor here. So, Mr. Senate President and incoming President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I want to thank you for taking time to come. He has spoken with me, and I gave him my word. And of course, you know me. I've always stood by the truth, fighting for equity, fairness, and justice. Our people know that. And I told him, a tree cannot make a forest. I cannot be a forest. We need everybody on board. And so, from today, I know that we have a presidential aspirant in North Central Zone. So if anybody comes, I would say that yes, we too, in the North Central Zone, we have one. And I also appreciated the wisdom of the National Executive Committee of our great party in the course of putting in place a transition that will usher us to take over power in 2023. We said in NEC that it does not matter where the chairmanship of the party will come, but we must look at the character of the person, the integrity, the capacity, who can lead the party. And when that time comes for presidency, we will also look at someone who will rescue Nigeria from where we are. We know that Nigeria has made mistake. In 2015, when the present government was complaining, they said that they will take Nigeria from top to bottom. They said it 3 times, top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. And those who were there were hailing it, even me. Then I was in APC, I was accepting it. All of us. Even Mr. President here was also part of this. But I'm saying that top to bottom, it has all helped us. From bottom to top.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.